He said, David, I'm bringing more groups to Ghana. I want you to help organize the business conference. It's a great idea. We all remember the great Leon Sullivan.
Yes.
He used to bring thousands of our people to Africa. It met president, and when he passed, it just fell to the ground. But I'm here to say that Bomani carries the spirit of this brother. And every year it gets bigger and bigger. So let's bring Brother Bomani to say something nice and something good that he always, let's give him a round of applause. He always has something.
All right, greetings family. Appreciate everybody just joining on the journey and really just showing love and really just getting into it where we're here. There's many people that inspired or aspired to join us on the journey, and somehow they didn't make it. So appreciate everybody who made it and everybody who gave their full commitment and followed through the details. We're very detail oriented because for a 2-week process, it's a whole lot we're going through. So we do a lot of pre-connection, mainly through conference calls and just a whole lot of details online. But that's the work that we have to do and be clear that way. When you come to the motherland, you can really just get a good feel of everything and really just make, get beyond just getting your money's worth, really just take in a whole lot of things that's going on. There's many people who do tours and many people who come to Africa and visit and things, but the world of repatriation and investment for myself is the world that I've been just committed to, and I don't really see any, it's like tunnel vision, I don't see anything else, and I share a lot of things about the pain of my life in America, and we just got a bunch of YouTube videos interviewing other brothers, and we're having straight dialogue about our frustration and pain in America, and how we feel more like modern day slaves than anything else. And through the blessings of just having the opportunity to travel in Africa in 2004 to Senegal, opened up a world for me, going out to Glory Island and walking into one of those Holocaust dungeons just changed my life forever. And that was 2004 in March. And everyone knew me before then, knew someone different. So most of the people that knew me then just see a different world, but it's you never know what might happen to you when you come to the motherland. So I always tell people, make sure when we invite people to the motherland, make sure we comfort them and make sure we connect them with as many things as possible. And when we talk about a country like Ghana, beyond just our history, roots, and culture here, we're talking about a dynamic country in West Africa that has a great future, a lot of great investment opportunities. It's so great and wonderful that every time I travel to Africa, I see a lot of Eurasians, white folks from Europe and Asian folks from different parts of that so-called Eurasian continent. But the fact that that others can come and be safe, be free, be able to do the things that they do, and we're in America just stuck in a system where all of our works and effort is just really more so dedicated to us fueling an oppressive system that all it does is just take our hard work and it keeps certain parts of our community, certain parts of our family divided to where when you add all of our output and add all of everything that we've been a part of, it's basically just reinventing a new high-tech way of being a slave. Just be happy and feel good. You got the 2-week vacations and you got the boats, the insurance, you got this bill, that bill, and so when I look at all what we spend and give to America, I feel like if we just give a few percent to the African continent, we can raise an incredible, powerful continent to where we can be as strong as we have ever been. And
Absolutely strong. Absolutely.
It's okay, continue.